Time for the weather now with Lara Hyams. And Lara, a small spike in temperatures today.
We were slightly above average in Sydney today. We did get to a top of 28 degrees. Those warmer conditions also felt through the greater Sydney area too. Our minimum temperatures were generally above average, mainly around the coastal regions, but they were cooler through inland parts of the Riverina, recording single digits. The maximums were well below the average. The coastal regions were slightly higher. We did have warmer temperatures, though, throughout the central western parts. Now, the cloud band that was stretching across the interior, this is continuing to move across the country. There is an upper level trough producing some patchy high cloud. This is mainly over southeastern parts of Queensland. More cloud building over Tasmania, and the rest of the country remains clear. There is a trough that is continuing to linger around the inland parts of New South Wales, and from that we'll start to see a change in conditions for later in the week. We'll see showers developing and also the possibility of storms. Clear conditions, though, for the rest of the country. Around the nation tomorrow, cloudy for Brisbane, falls forecast for the southeast, cloudy for Adelaide and Perth, and we will have a possible storm for Darwin. Still some decent falls, though, around the Northern Rivers region overnight, but Lord Howe Island recorded the most falls today with 31 millimetres, minor falls too around the Shoalhaven region. In the north, partly cloudy with a chance of showers tomorrow. That will increase going into the week. On the waters, southerly winds 10 to 15 knots, seas at about a metre. As we go further south, partly cloudy with a chance of showers. This will be mainly around the coastal fringe. On the waters, northeasterly winds at about 10 knots, but we will see some strong winds getting up to 25 knots and seas getting up to 2 metres. Partly cloudy for a lot of the interior tomorrow, likely to see falls around the Riverina and through western parts, the maximums getting around 30 degrees. On Sydney waters, shifting winds getting up to 15 knots, seas about a metre. Light falls for coastal areas and also some patchy cloud. If we have a look at the city tomorrow, we'll see 25 degrees and a little warmer in the west, getting up to 27. And as we look ahead, we'll have that change that will be coming through. There will be the chance of storms, a lot more rain, but we'll see some of those temperatures spike, getting up to 29 degrees, 30 as we go into west. Clearing conditions for the weekend. Juanita.
Thanks for that, Lara. Lee Sales is here now with 7:30.